I feel gratified and bow my head with gratitude to the global ODI team represented by Mr. Sabyasachi Mishra, a darling of Lord Prabhu Jagannatha, which has exemplified and illustrated that we represent the whole of the world, not only Odisha's North America society only, but we are an integral, eternal and fragmental part of Lord Prabhu Jagannatha. My salutations to the team, which is nothing else but soul's ethereal firmament, which is nothing else but the essential vibrations of love, which knows not egoistic calculations, which is in fact a gift from Lord Prabhu Jagannatha to assuage the sufferings inflicted by the invisible virus corona to the animate and to the inanimate throughout the world. And the team is there to help, to grace and to guide, simultaneously vanquishing this invisible virus which has been let loose by the Draculian forces. The sages, the seers and the saints of the world, my country speaks, Lord Prabhu Jagannatha says in Gita, Dharma sustains, preserves the whole creation, and the root of Dharma is compassion, Karuna, Daya. Well, the Surya team, global team, even-minded team, a team of dualistic, non-dualistic ethics, culture. This is deep-rooted in Dharma and engrossed in the welfare of the beings, you see. But simultaneously, this team sends a message to those forces which are demonic, to the bewildered, that they should be cautious enough. Let them be careful of their nefarious designs whose dream to enslave this tiny speck of cosmos, this petty, pretty planet. Again, I wish that Lord Prabhu Jagannatha bless such demonic forces so that good sense prevail upon them, and of course with the collaboration, with the cooperation, with the corporation of this global India team, the world, and particularly those forces which are dragon-like and dinosaur-like, would come to realize that all is one. This earth mother is my real mother and I am her child. I live for her, live with her, live by her. Let the world, let those forces which are giving tremors, which are giving terror, which are giving horrors to the humanity at large, may Lord Prabhu Jagannatha help those forces, bless those forces, and they should realize that all is one. And as in Gita, Lord Prabhu Jagannatha says, for the cosmos, for the total Brahmanda, Sarva Bhut Hite Rata, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina Sarve Santu Niramaya, Vasudhaiv Kutambakam, Atam Vat Sarv Bhuteshu, Advaitavad, Ekatma, Yajyavadi Sanskriti. I, in the end, extend my heartiest, cordial congratulations to Mr. Sabyasachi Mishra, who has been the pioneer, the exponent, the forerunner, to assuage the feelings, to assuage the sufferings, the turmoils, the pangs, the anguishes, the fevers, the frets and frowns of the world at large. I wish that I may be with him at least to serve a little bit, say an iota of my services along with these global Odia team. My pleasure is unbounded. I am happy that Lord Prabhu Jagannatha's sons and daughters are out to reach to those where we should reach, those who have never been loved. We should go there to love them. Those who have never been respected, let us go there to respect them. Those who have been vanchit, deprived, may we go there to make them vibrant, उनको संचित करने के लिए हम आगे बढ़ें. इसी प्रार्थना के साथ with this prayer, I again extend my thanks that I have been a part of this conference, and to speak a few words to motivate, to encourage, and of course to present my humblest possible salutations and wishes to the global Odia team. Vande Utkal Janani. धन्यवाद.
5 minutes for the question.